Hello everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you would be able to stop notifications and pop-up ads in your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so let's get started. Please open your Google Chrome browser, and in the upper right section, please click on the three dot button. From here, we need to go to Settings Options, so please click on Settings. And in the left pane, you will find there Privacy and Security. So please click on it. And under Privacy and Security, we need to go to Site Settings Options and go to Notifications under Permissions. And under the Default Behavior, please click on the option that says Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. Now, once done, please click on this back arrow here. And then we need to scroll down a little bit. Under Content section, please click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Here we need to select Don't Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups or Use Redirects under Default Behavior. Okay, so once done, you're good to go. And that's it. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.